Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines. Today we're diving into the features of the DXJJ portable washing machine and the Swatch Mini portable washing machine. Both products are designed for convenience, making laundry easy in small spaces, whether at home, in a dorm, or while traveling. Let's see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the DXJJ portable washing machine offers a 10-liter capacity, which is suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the Swatch Mini portable washing machine provides a slightly larger capacity of 11 liters, allowing you to wash a bit more laundry at once. This difference can be crucial for users who need to maximize their washing efficiency. Price is always a significant factor when choosing a washing machine. The DXJJ model is priced at $50, making it an affordable option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the Swatch model comes in at $65, which reflects its additional features and slightly larger capacity. It's essential to weigh these costs against the features offered to determine the best value for your needs. In terms of features, the DXJJ portable washing machine provides basic washing functions with 3 time modes, making it versatile for different laundry needs. However, the Swatch Mini portable washing machine stands out with its spin function and S+ Clean technology, which enhances its cleaning capabilities. This could be a deciding factor for those who prioritize advanced features in their washing machines. To wrap up, both the DXJJ and Swatch portable washing machines offer unique benefits tailored to different needs. The DXJJ is a cost-effective choice for those who need a simple, portable washer, while the Swatch provides additional features for a slightly higher price. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.